Welcome to Qtile. Guys, give me ideas. From ideas comes development. From development comes costs. And from costs comes your donations, right? So keep supporting me on a monthly basis so we can keep developing these great ideas of yours in this case. Super Shift Enter. You know, the previous video was all about theming, and look at that, right? We have got a complete new theme in Qtile in the sense that we have these Dracula, I think, arc theme and Dracula icons as well. It's just a choice that you have now in ATT, and the rest just start clicking, right? Just start clicking. In the ATT, this does not change anymore. You see that, right? That means I've set it, Ctrl+Alt+E, really have a look at it. It avoids your frustration, right? Everything is now white. Why is that white? Themes. We've changed so many things up here. The whole page has been changed. All the packages have been rebuilt. The arc themes is basically kind of a dormant, if not dead, project. I've revived it, right? With Claude, with your money, I have revived it. And we have now the possibility to install all kinds of blues, or just in a batch, give me all the blues because I like blue, right? And then off you go and install it. So that's what I've done. I've basically said here, this is my default look for everything. i3, Qtile, awesome. Everything now adheres to, listens to this kind of design. So if you click here on this button, that's basically what's happening. GTK theme already set. Yeah. If I change, then you'll get this, right? Updated etc environment. This is super important to know that this controls your look all the way. You can do a different way. This is the hammer, the sledgehammer, right? It's going to get every single thing in here. Great. Now I think, oh my God, right? I'll set it later, right? And I've changed, of course, my system now. It's now going to be a white look. Let's at least take something dark. Okay, voila. So that's important, but that's also previous video, but repeating never hurts. Education. Super Shift Enter. I like to introduce in all the tiling window managers. That means that if you go to the .config and you install them, right? Awesome. PSPWM. Alphabetically, I should look for i3, then LeftWM. Did I forget chadwm? I did. Oh, my chadwm. Oh, my chadwm. This is mine, right? A backup. This is the official one. Keep backups around for yourself. I just copy paste and call it mine. Never can be overwritten. And then Qtile mine, you see, I have 4 Qtiles, but that's the one from the official distribution, right? From Kiro itself. So these guys, all of them have the following on board. I'd like to promote and to introduce, right? Nothing here. Why? When we update your system, that's something we should do, right? When we update your system, a lot of packages come in. All of them have been changed somehow. First of all, they come on your computer system. Okay, they come from the internet. But where do they go to? I tell you where it goes to, right? Qtile, Qtile, Qtile. Does that mean it's going to home Erik? No, it's not going to home Erik. It's going to Qtile. All right? Skel. Remember the word double L. Skel double L is a script that basically says you read, right? And then you say, yes, copy over everything. And that's why I have a folder called Qtile mine on my chadwm mine, right? My setting. But I need the new stuff in because things go away, update things, more flexibility, more coding, right? I need a new code, and it's gonna back up everything anyway, right? Config, alacrity. This is all of these folders that he touches, right? Only the configs etc overrides will be backupped. So inside this particular date and hour, so you still know that's when I updated, and you can always track back. My LeftWM, your personal LeftWM is going to be in the backup, right? but I just keep a LeftWM mine there, right? So I don't need to fall back to this, but it's a safety net that we have provided. Now, what happens if you rewind the video? We've got Keybindings HTML, we have Keybindings PDF, and we have Keybindings text. So never delete the Keybindings text, because this little guy, Ctrl+Super+S, is going to provide this beautiful thing, right? An application that we've built, and that's documented, I mean, together with Claude, and then filmed everything. So you know how these things work, right? Kiro is building an ISO together and showing you everything. That's what we're trying to do, basically university. So in university, you have to subscribe and have to pay for studies, right? So think about donating, right? Because we are always teaching all the time. And that's, of course, also my profession. So this one is automatically generated. After this one is going to be generated. Okay, cool. You want an HTML to put aside, a dual screen, that one there, and then you go ahead and start learning these key bindings, because I am a promoter of tiling window managers. I don't care which one you choose, right? But try it out, half an hour a day, see if you like it. The workflow is so much faster than on a regular Windows managed thing where you overlap windows and all that. For me, it feels chaotic, even broken when I'm on a normal desktop. So that's interesting. And of course, people sometimes want to print, right? So we provide a PDF as well. Just put it on the printer or pull it from the printer, et voila. These key bindings are all created with Claude, so, right, it all costs money, but we provide this service for you. If there is a new key binding, if you say, okay, let's do this as key binding, like this Ctrl+Super+S exists a week from now, right? We'll have more ideas, more key bindings. Not there, I think we have 10 keys free, that's it, right? So not much is left open. And why do I say that? Because the key bindings are everywhere. So if you learn awesome key bindings, the same key bindings are in Qtile, in i3, in LeftWM. So it's at some point in time, and that's the thing, right? Once you go to tiling window managers, and if your fingers know where is Alacrity, where is the terminal, how to quit, how to do this, you'll see how fast you're becoming, and other people will notice that. You say, wow, everything's so going flashy, and you're doing this and that and that, all with your fingers, all with our fingers, right? No mouse involved. All right, enjoy our latest, newest invention, thanks to an idea of a user on GitHub Discussions. Thank you.